KR stock analysis and KR stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So I'm looking at Kroger company. It's in this little retracement, although it's like 2% up. So where the heck are we heading next? I've spent 37,000. I've done 37,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. So you bet I've seen what's making me money and what is not. Generally speaking, with KR, the only thing that I'm really looking forward to do is like buying. That's it, like buying. But what I saw is that the price actually even zoomed up today, almost delivering towards the highs. Actually, like once I'm seeing this pullback, still will wait for my rules. And guess what? If my rules are not met, then my rules say that then I'm just not gonna take a trade, and that's completely fine with me. Like, I don't know, for whatever reason would I just force a movement when I know I've tested it for 36,000 videos and it has not worked, right? So just use common sense. So if you want to make more money consistently trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, free sauce. Check it out, it's free.